வெல்கம் டு சன் தேஜஸ் ஆதி சேனல். இது TNPSC தொடர்பான சேனல் ஆகும். பாருங்கள், வீடியோக்குள் செல்லலாம்.
601 An edible underground stem is 1. Ginger. 2. Sweet potato. 3. Sugar cane. 4. Radish. 602 Which of these is a modified underground stem? 1. Radish. 2. Carrot. 3. Sweet potato. 4. Potato. 603 The food conducting tissue of a plant is 1. Phloem. 2. Xylem. 3. Parenchyma. 4. Collenchyma. 604 Potassium metabisulfite is used as a food preservative for 1. Squash. 2. Tomato ketchup. 3. Fruit juices. 4. Pickles. 605 Which of these joints is a hinge joint? 1. Hip. 2. Elbow. 3. Shoulder. 4. Wrist. 606 Bile is stored in the 1. Gall, bladder. 2. Duodenum. 3. Liver. 4. Spleen. 607 The saliva secreted in the mouth digests 1. Proteins. 2. Starch. 3. Fats. 4. Vitamins. 608 Male mosquitoes 1. Suck blood. 2. Feed on plant juices. 3. Spread encephalitis. 4. Spread malaria. 609 Where is the pineal gland situated? 1. In the liver. 2. In the brain. 3. In the kidneys. 4. In the uterus. 610 The substance used to bring down body temperature in high fever is 1. Tranquilizers. 2. Antipyretics. 3. Analgesics. 4. Antibiotics. 611 Which of these produces energy? 1. Carbohydrates. 2. Proteins. 3. Vitamins. 4. Mineral salts. 612 To carry out photosynthesis plants require 1. Oxygen. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Nitrogen. 4. Hydrogen. 613 The human heart is enclosed in the 1. Pericardium. 2. Pleura. 3. Dura mater. 4. Conjunctive. 614 Which of the following is an example of tissue? 1. Brain. 2. Blood. 3. Liver. 4. Stomach. 615 The human skeleton contains around 1. 110 bones. 2. 210 bones. 3. 150 bones. 4. 250 bones. 616 The pigment which gives color to the human skin is 1. Melanin. 2. Rhodopsin. 3. Iodopsin. 4. Anthocyanin. 617 Which of the following diseases is spread through contaminated food? 1. Malaria. 2. Tetanus. 3. Typhoid. 4. Mumps. 618 What is Alzheimer's disease? 1. It is a disorder of the brain. 2. It affects liver. 3. It affects kidney. 4. It affects human immune system. 619 Which one of the following is not a true fish? 1. Shark. 2. Starfish. 3. Eel. 4. Seahorse. 620 Root nodules are commonly found in 1. Parasitic plants. 2. Epiphytic plants. 3. Leguminous plants. 4. Aquatic plants. 621 The function of trypsin is to 1. Break down fats. 2. Synthesize proteins. 3. Break down proteins. 4. Break down carbohydrates. 622 The floral part that produces pollen grains is 1. Sepal, 2. Petal, 3. Anther, 4. Ovary. 623 Which are not included in the milk teeth in a child of 3 to 4 years. 1. Incisors, 2. Canines, 3. Molars, 4. Premolars. 624 Insufficient dietary iodine can cause 1. Cretinism, 2. Giant build, 3. Enlarged thyroid, 4. Small thyroid. 625 What determines the sex of a child? 1. Chromosomes of the father, 2. Chromosomes of the mother, 3. Rh factor of the parents, 4. Blood group of the father. 626 Hypoglycemia refers to 1. High salt concentration in blood, 2. High blood sugar level, 3. High blood pressure, 4. Low sugar level in blood. 627 The primary source of carbohydrates are 1. Marine animals, 2. Plants, 3. Coal tar, 4. Crude oil. 628 Which animal may suffer from foot and mouth disease? 1. Cattle, 2. Cattle and sheep, 3. Cattle and pigs, 4. Cattle, sheep, and pigs. 629 What does enamel cover? 1. Crown of the tooth, 2. Dentin on all sides, 3. Cementum, 4. Cementum and partly dentin. 630 The antibiotic ampicillin is 1. A synthetic drug, 2. Obtained from a bacterium, 3. Obtained from a plant extract, 4. A semi-synthetic drug. 631 Opium is a plant product obtained from 1. Dried leaves, 2. Dried latex, 3. Roots, 4. Stem bark. 632 Drying oils contain a fairly large proportion of 1. Fats, 2. Proteins, 3. Saturated fatty acids, 4. Unsaturated fatty acids. 633 Which virus from the following combinations is contagious for human beings? 1. H5N1, 2. H1N5, 3. H2N3, 4. H4N2. 634 Which of the following is a deficiency disease? 1. Asthma, 2. Jaundice, 3. Scurvy, 4. Cancer. 635 Which of the following animals has a clitellum? 1. Millipede, 2. Centipede, 3. Earthworm, 4. Ringworm. 636 The number of chromosomes present in the somatic cell of the human cell is 1. 23, 2. 44, 3. 46, 4. 92. 637 Which one of the following organs excretes water, fat and various catabolic wastes? 1. Kidney, 2. Skin, 3. Spleen, 4. Salivary glands. 638 The trace metal present in insulin is 1. Iron, 2. Zinc, 3. Cobalt, 4. Manganese. 639 Which of the following metals is present in chlorophyll? 1. Beryllium, 2. Magnesium, 3. Calcium, 4. Barium. 640 What vessel carries the venous blood to the lungs for oxygenation? 1. Pulmonary arteries, 2. Pulmonary veins, 3. Pulmonary arteriovenous shunt, 4. Right ventricle. 641 Quinine, the commonly used drug to treat malaria, is obtained from a plant. What part of the plant yields the drug? 1. Leaves, 2. Fruits, 3. Root. 4. Stem bark. 642 Most fish do not sink in water because of the presence of 1. Air sinuses. 2. Buoyant scales on the body. 3. Swim bladder. 4. Swimmerets. 643 Heavy alcohol consuming people generally die of 1. Blood cancer. 2. Cirrhosis. 3. Liver or stomach cancer. 4. Weakening of heart muscles leading to cardiac arrest. 644 Chocolates can be bad for health because of a high content of 1. Cobalt. 2. Nickel. 3. Zinc. 4. Lead. 645 Which carbohydrate is used in silvering of mirrors? 1. Fructose. 2. Sucrose. 3. Glucose. 4. Starch. 646 When a child is born, what happens to its blood circulation? 1. Its blood flows for the first time. 2. Its blood reverses its flow through the heart. 3. Its blood ceases to pass from one atrium to the other. 4. Its blood carries wastes for the first time. 647 Which virus from the following combinations is contagious for human beings? 1. H5N1, 2. H2N3. 3. H4N1, 4. H4N2. 648 Cuscuta is a 1. Partial stem parasite. 2. Complete stem parasite. 3. Partial root parasite. 4. Complete root parasite. 649 Plants differ from animals in having 1. Locomotion. 2. Metabolism. 3. Localized growth. 4. Catabolism. 650 The function of the heart is to 1. Supply oxygen to the tissues. 2. Carry carbon dioxide from the tissues. 3. Throw away waste materials. 4. Pump blood to different parts of the body. 651 The red color of human blood is due to 1. Myoglobin. 2. Hemoglobin. 3. Immunoglobulin. 4. Haptoglobin. 652 The functional unit of the kidney is 1. Neurons. 2. Glomerulus. 3. Nephron. 4. Ureter. 653 Which of the following is called the powerhouse of the cell? 1. Nucleus. 2. Lysosome. 3. Chromosome. 4. Mitochondrion. 654 Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, is caused by 1. Protozoa. 2. Virus. 3. Fungus. 4. Bacteria. 655 Which of the following processes does not increase the amount of carbon dioxide in air? 1. Breathing. 2. Photosynthesis. 3. Burning of petrol. 4. Aerobic decay of vegetation. (656) The vitamin that is most readily manufactured in our bodies is 1. Vitamin A. 2. Vitamin B. 3. Vitamin C. 4. Vitamin D. 657 Which cells in our body have the least regenerative power? 1. Brain cells. 2. Muscle cells. 3. Bone cells. 4. Liver cells. 658 A potato tuber has been cut into two halves. A few drops of iodine solution are placed on the cut surface of one of the halves. What color change will be noticed? 1. From brown to blue, black. 2. From brown to orange, red. 3. From blue to pink. 4. From pink to blue, green. 659 How many valves does a human heart have? 1. 4. 2. 3. 3. 2. 4. 1. 660 The cells which are responsible for the production of antibodies are 1. Red blood cells. 2. Neutrophils. 3. Lymphocytes. 4. Platelets. 661 The source of the enzyme, diastasis. 1. Salivary gland. 2. Stomach. 3. Liver. 4. Pancreas. 662 Mycoplasma is associated with a disease that affects the organs of 1. Respiration. 2. Excretion. 3. Reproduction. 4. Digestion. 663 Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? 1. Tetanus, BCG. 2. Tuberculosis, ATS. 3. Malaria, chloroquine. 4. Scurvy, thiamine. 664 A person having a B group of blood can donate blood to a person having 1. A group, 2. B group. 3. A B group, 4. O group. 665 Which of the following is known as the graveyard of RBC? 1. Liver, 2. Spleen. 3. Brain, 4. Heart. 666 The largest mixed gland of human body is 1. Thymus, 2. Liver. 3. Pancreas, 4. Spleen. 667 Mumps is a viral disease that see inflammation of 1. Parotid gland. 2. Sublingual gland. 3. Submaxillary gland. 4. Infraorbital gland. 668 Match the following list. I list 2. A. Aquaculture, 1. Silk. B. Floriculture, 2. Grapes. C. Sericulture, 3. Flour. D. Viticulture, 4. Fisheries. A. B. C. D. 1. 4 3 2 1. 2. 3 4 1 2. 3. 3 4 2 1. 4. 4 3 1 2. 669 Rheumatic heart disease is treated with the help of 1. Aspirin. 2. Streptomycin. 3. Methyl-dopa. 4. Penicillin. 670 Which of the following relieves pain? 1. Antibiotics. 2. Analgesic. 3. Antipyretic. 4. Disinfectant held on. 671 Tobacco smoke is injurious to health because it contains 1. Carbon monoxide. 2. Nicotine. 3. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. 4. Melathine. 672 Enzymes are 1. Microorganisms. 2. Proteins. 3. Inorganic compounds. 4. Molds. 673 Which one of the following is not a benefit of saliva? 1. It facilitates swallowing. 2. It increases RBCs in the body. 3. It keeps the mouth and teeth clean. 4. It aids speech by facilitating movements of lips and tongue. 674 Fiber diet includes 1. Glycogen. 2. Proteins. 3. Cellulose. 4. Fats. 675 Tuberculosis infection is by means of 1. Mycobacterium avium. 2. Staphylococcus. 3. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. 4. Streptococcus. 676 The abnormal constituent of urine is 1. Urea. 2. Creatinine. 3. Albumin. 4. Sodium. 677 The disease that is caused by viruses. 1. Typhoid. 2. Cholera. 3. Common cold. 4. Malaria. 678 In plants water is absorbed by the root hairs by a process called 1. transpiration. 2. Respiration. 3. Perspiration. 4. Osmosis. 679 The element which is required by the plant in large quantity. 1. Calcium. 2. Nitrogen. 3. Phosphorus. 4. Sulfur. 680 Which one of the following gives energy to our body? 1. Vitamins. 2. Water. 3. Carbohydrates. 4. Proteins. 681 Which of the following pairs has open type of circulatory system? 1. Earthworm and leech. 2. Man and whale. 3. Cockroach and silverfish. 4. Tadpole larva and fish. 682 Which of the following animals does not have nervous system? 1. Leech. 2. Tapeworm. 3. Amoeba. 4. Snail. 683 Which of the following causes malaria? 1. Insect. 2. Bacteria. 3. Protozoa. 4. Virus. 684 Deposition of uric acid crystals at the joint is the cause of 1. Arthritis. 2. Osteoporosis. 3. Osteomalacia. 4. Rickets. 685 Which of the following cytoplasmic organelles are treated as prokaryotic cells within the eukaryotic cells? 1. Mitochondria. 2. Golgi bodies. 3. Lysosomes. 4. Glyoxysomes. 686 Nitrogenous food is 1. Carbohydrate. 2. Lipid. 3. Protein. 4. Salts. 687 Which one of the following organs excretes water, fat and various catabolic wastes? 1. Kidney. 2. Skin. 3. Spleen. 4. Salivary glands. 688 Which of the following diseases is caused by the consumption of nitrate-contaminated food and water? 1. Minimata disease. 2. Osteoporosis. 3. Blue baby syndrome. 4. Asbestosis. 689 Archaeopteryx had the following reptilian characters. 1. Teeth on jaw, tail, beak. 2. Clawed wings, teeth on jaw, tail. 3. Clawed wings, scales, feathers. 4. Teeth on jaw, feathers, tail. 690 Which of the following vertebrates lack exoskeleton? 1. Amphibia. 2. Mammalia. 3. Birds. 4. Chondrichthyes. 691 Which of the following branches deals with the interactions of same species of living organisms with their non-living environment? 1. Autocology. 2. Synecology. 3. Ecology. 4. Paleontology. 692 Which of the following organelles is called atom bombs? 1. Microtubules. 2. Nucleolus. 3. Golgi bodies. 4. Lysosome. 693 From the bark of which plant is quinine extracted? 1. Eucalyptus. 2. Cinchona. 3. Teak. 4. Cedar. 694 Hypertension is the term used for 1. Increase in heart rate. 2. Decrease in heart rate. 3. Decrease in blood pressure. 4. Increase in blood pressure. 695 The contractile proteins in a muscle are 1. Actin and myosin. 2. Actin and tropomyosin. 3. Myosin and troponin. 4. Troponin and tropomyosin. 696 Acute lead poisoning is also known as 1. Etietite. 2. Plumism. 3. Neuralgia. 4. Byssinosis. 697 Which one of the following is called the digestive bag in the cell? 1. Golgi body. 2. Mitochondrion. 3. Ribosome. 4. Lysosome. 698 osteocytes are found in 1. Bone. 2. Blood. 3. Cartilage. 4. Lymph. 699 allosomes are 1. Cell organelles. 2. Plant hormones. 3. Alleles. 4. Sex chromosomes. 700 The enzyme that coagulates milk into curd is 1. Renin. 2. Pepsin. 3. Resin. 4. Citrate. (701) Which one of the following is known as the immovable property in the cell? 1. Carbohydrate. 2. Fat. 3. Protein. 4. Nucleic acid. 702 The average lifespan of red blood corpuscles is about 1. 100 to 200 days. 2. 100 to 120 days. 3. 160 to 180 days. 4. 150 to 200 days. 703 Dormancy period of animals during winter season is called 1. Estivation. 2. Hibernation. 3. Regeneration. 4. Mutation. 704 Breeding and management of bees is known as 1. Sericulture. 2. Silviculture. 3. Fish farming. 4. Beekeeping. 705 The vitamin necessary for coagulation of blood is 1. Vitamin B. 2. Vitamin C. 3. Vitamin K. 4. Vitamin E. 706 The first effective vaccine against polio was prepared by 1. J. H. Gibbon. 2. Jonas E. Salk. 3. Robert Edwards. 4. James Simpson. 707 IUCN categorized major threatened species under 1. 7 classes. 2. 5 classes. 3. 6 classes. 4. 4 classes. 708 Minamata disease was caused by 1. Mercury. 2. Lead. 3. Cadmium. 4. Zinc. 709 Which of the following is a good source of vitamin E? 1. Meat. 2. Ghee. 3. Yellow yolk. 4. Fresh vegetables. 710 Penicillin is isolated from 1. Fungi. 2. Algae. 3. Virus. 4. Bacteria. 711 The total number of bones in the human body is 1. 206. 2. 260. 3. 306. 4. 360. 712 Bile is secreted by 1. Gallbladder. 2. Liver. 3. Bile duct. 4. Pancreas. 713 Name the vitamin not found in any animal food. 1. Vitamin B12. 2. Vitamin C. 3. Vitamin D. 4. Vitamin K. 714 The largest organ of human body is 1. Heart. 2. Brain. 3. Liver. 4. Kidney. 715 The radioactive strontium-90 causes 1. Brain cancer. 2. Skin cancer. 3. Lung cancer. 4. Bone cancer. 716 What causes common cold? 1. Bacteria. 2. Fungi. 3. Virus. 4. Protozoa. 717 Meningitis is a disease which affects the 1. Kidneys. 2. Liver. 3. Heart. 4. Brain. 718 Number of teeth which are replaced in man are 1. 12. 2. 20. 3, 32, 4, 16. 719 Which of the following is used for wrapping of fractured bones? 1. White cement. 2. White lead. 3. Zinc oxide. 4. Plaster of Paris. 720 Which one of the following is a waterborne disease? 1. Diabetes. 2. Cholera. 3. Smallpox. 4. Malaria. 721 The tallest plant in the world is 1. Eucalyptus. 2. Pterocarpus. 3. Polyalthea. 4. Tectona. 722 The only bird that flies backward is 1. Sparrow. 2. Cool. 3. Siberian crane. 4. Hummingbirdle. 723 Which one of the following is an extinct animal? 1. Passenger pigeon. 2. Mountain quail. 3. Pink-headed duck. 4. Ibis. 724 From which one of the following is quinine extracted? 1. Sarpagandha. 3. Opium. 3. Cinchona. 4. Datura. 725 Which vitamin deficiency causes the disease, pernicious anemia? 1. Vitamin B5. 2. Vitamin B12. 3. Vitamin B6. 4. Vitamin C. 726 Pigeon milk is produced by 1. Crop. 2. Birds. 3. Mammals. 4. All of the above. 727 In which one of the following is swim bladder absent? 1. Cuttlefish. 2. Bony fish. 3. Cartilaginous fish. 4. Silverfish. 728 Which one of the following is the smallest endocrine gland in human body? 1. Adrenal. 2. Thyroid. 3. Pituitary. 4. Pancreas. 729 Yellow spots on citrus leaves is due to the deficiency of 1. Zinc. 2. Magnesium. 3. Boron. 4. Iron. 730 Vector of Kala-Azar is 1. Anopheles mosquito. 2. Culex mosquito. 3. Tsetse fly. 4. Sandfly. 731 The chief raw material used for manufacturing rayon is 1. Nylon. 2. Cellulose. 3. Silicon. 4. Radium and argon. 732 Cadmium pollution is associated with 1. Minamata disease. 2. Blackfoot disease. 3. Dyslexia. 4. Itiati. 733 The example of hermaphrodite animal in which cross-fertilization occurs is 1. Hydra. 2. Ascaris. 3. Earthworm. 4. Silkworm. 734 Blubber is 1. A milky secretion of rubber plant. 2. A layer of thick fat. 3. A device to trap insects by some aquatic. 4. Fungal infection of rice plants. 735 The coding segment of DNA is called in 1. Codon. 2. Mutin. 3. Intron. 4. Exon. 736 Fat-soluble vitamins are 1. Tocopherol, niacin, cyanocobalamin. 2. Calciferol, carotene, tocopherol. 3. Ascorbic acid, calciferol, riboflavin. 4. Thiamine, carotene, biotin. 737 Silk is produced by 1. Egg of a silkworm. 2. Pupa of silkworm. 3. Larva of silkworm. 4. Insect itself. 738 Which of the following is an egg-laying mammal? 1. Bat. 2. Leafy anteater. 3. Whale. 4. spiny anteater. 739 The color change in the chameleon is due to the presence of 1. Hemoglobin. 2. Chromatophore. 3. Chlorophyll. 4. Pneumatophore. 740 The deficiency of iodine leads to 1. Hyperthyroidism. 2. Goitre. 3. Midgut. 4. Diabetes. 741 Two richest known sources of edible protein are 1. Meat and eggs. 2. Some algae and other microorganisms. 3. Soybean and groundnut. 4. Milk and leafy vegetables. 742 The saliva helps in the digestion of 1. Proteins. 2. Starch. 3. Fibers. 4. Fats. 743 Which of the following correctly explains the phenomenon of test tube baby? 1. When every process of embryo formation is in the test tube. 2. When the embryo develops in a test tube. 3. When the fertilization is external and development is internal. 4. When the fertilization is internal and development is external. 744 Heart attack occurs due to 1. Bacterial attack on the heart. 2. Stopping of heartbeat. 3. Lack of supply of blood to the heart itself. 4. Impairment of heart's working due to unknown reasons. 745 Biodegradable wastes can usually be converted into useful substances with the help of 1. Bacteria. 2. Nuclear proteins. 3. Radioactive substances. 4. Viruses. 746 Greater population can be supported on the earth only if we eat more. 1. Mutton. 2. Eggs. 3. Plant products. 4. Beef. 749 Fat present below the skin surface in our body acts as a barrier against 1. Loss of heat from the body. 2. Loss of essential body fluids. 3. Loss of salt from the body. 4. Entry of harmful microorganisms from the environment. 750 The lifespan of RBC of man is 1. 120 days. 2. 150 days. 3. 180 days. 4. 190 days. 751 Which organ is the alternate term for womb? 1. Uterus. 2. Ureter. 3. Vagina. 4. Vulva. 752 In onion the edible part is 1. Leaf. 2. Root. 3. Stem. 4. Flower. 753 Mushroom cultivation is not useful in 1. Biogas production. 2. Biological control of crop diseases. 3. Recycling of agricultural wastes. 4. Preventing cancer. 754 The drone in honeybee are 1. Fertile badly. 2. Fertile female. 3. Sterile male. 4. Sterile female. 755 Of which tissue nails, hoofs, and horns are made of 1. Cutide. 2. Chitin. 3. Keratin. 4. Tunicin. 756 Hemoglobin has highest affinity for 1. Oxygen. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Carbon monoxide. 4. Nitrogen. 757 Which chromosomal combination is responsible for maleness in man? 1. XO. 2. XXX. 3. XX. 4. XY. 758 Air bladder in fish acts as 1. Accessory respiratory organ. 2. Hydrostatic organ. 3. Both accessory respiratory organ and hydrostatic organ. 4. Primary respiratory organ. 759 Which one of the following glands is responsible for secretion of sex hormones? 1. Adrenal gland. 2. Thyroid gland. 3. Pituitary gland. 4. Sebaceous gland. 760 In cauliflower plant the useful part is 1. Underground stem. 2. Root. 3. Young inflorescence. 4. Leaves. 761 The acid stored in batteries is 1. Sulfuric acid. 2. Nitric acid. 3. Hydrochloric acid. 4. Acetic acid. 762 Stone cancer occurs due to 1. Acid rain. 2. Global warming. 3. Radioactivity. 4. Bacterial action. 763 The chemical which is used in art and craft and can cause anemia and leukemia is 1. Benzene. 2. Dioxine. 3. Phthalate. 4. Aldrin. 764 Total number of muscles present in our body is 1. 565. 2. 656. 3. 665. 4. 556. 765 Which of the plant products is used in leather industry? 1. Resin. 2. Mucilage. 3. Latex. 4. Tannin. 766 The duration 19 to 21 days refers to 1. Incubation period of hen's egg. 2. Average lifespan of a red blood cell in humans. 3. The period of menstrual cycle soon after menstruation, during which fertilization is most likely to occur. 4. Period of completion of one schizogony cycle of malarial parasite inside a red blood cell. 767 In onion the edible part is 1. Leaf. 2. Root. 3. Stem. 4. Flower. 768 Mushroom cultivation is not useful in 1. Biogas production. 2. Biological control of crop diseases. 3. Recycling of agricultural wastes. 4. Preventing cancer. 769 The drone in honeybee are 1. Fertile badly. 2. Fertile female. 3. Sterile male. 4. Sterile female. 770 Of which tissue nails, hoofs, and horns are made of 1. Cutide. 2. Chitin. 3. Keratin. 4. Tunicin. 771 Hemoglobin has highest affinity for 1. Oxygen. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Carbon monoxide. 4. Nitrogen. 772 Which chromosomal combination is responsible for maleness in man? 1. XO. 2. XXX. 3. XX. 4. XY. 773 What is the other name for vitamin B2? 1. Thiamine. 2. Hemoglobin. 3. Riboflavin. 4. Dextrose. 774 Cockroach cannot survive in the water because its respiratory organ is 1. Gill. 2. Trachea. 3. Book lung. 4. Pulmonary sac. 775 Mercury poisoning in man causes the disease 1. Black lung. 2. Arsenicosis. 3. Minamata. 4. Tyeti. 776 Chromosomes consist of 1. DNA and lipids. 2. RNA and amino acids. 3. DNA and proteins. 4. RNA and sugar. 777 The yellow color of urine is due to presence of 1. Bile. 2. Lymph. 3. Cholesterol. 4. Urochrome. 778 Which of the following is known as graveyard of RBCs? 1. Liver. 2. Bone marrow. 3. spleen, 4, appendix. 779 The main use of salt in the diet is to 1. Increase the solubility of the food particles in water. 2. Produce in small amounts the hydrochloric acid required for the digestion of food. 3. Ease the process of cooking. 4. Make the taste of the food better. 780 Which of the following is biodegradable? 1. Paper. 2. DDT. 3. Aluminium. 4. Plastic. 781 Which of the following weeds has been found effective in checking water pollution caused by industrial effluents? 1. Water hyacinth. 2. Elephant grass. 3. Parthenium. 4. Both. 2. And 3. 782 Atiati disease is due to poisoning caused by 1. Mercury. 2. Arsenic. 3. Cadmium. 4. Asbestos. 783 Blue-green algae are included in the group 1. Eubacteria. 2. Cyanobacteria. 3. Protozoa. 4. Fungi. 784 Hemoglobin contains the metal 1. Copper. 2. Molybdenum. 3. Iron. 4. Magnesium. 785 Como seeds are seeds with 1. Long hairs. 2. Wings. 3. Bristles. 4. Hooks. 786 The sugar present in DNA is 1. Pentose. 2. Xylulose. 3. Hexose. 4. Heptulose. 787 A seed can germinate in the absence of 1. Adequate light. 2. Supply of oxygen. 3. Suitable moisture. 4. Suitable temperature. 788 Normally animals can change the place, but which one of the following animals cannot change the place? 1. Starfish. 2. Sponge. 3. Hydra. 4. Leech. 789 Production of alcohol from organic compounds by microorganisms is known as 1. Combustion. 2. Fermentation. 3. Anaerobic respiration. 4. Aerobic respiration. 790 Odontology is the branch of science which deals with the study of 1. Teeth. 2. Ontogeny. 3. Bone. 4. Aging. 791 An invertebrate does not have 1. Notochord. 2. Body cavity. 3. Hemocoel. 4. Gills. 792 Which of the following agricultural practices have been primarily responsible for pollution of our water resources? A. Use of livestock manure. B. Use of chemical fertilizers. C. Excessive use of chemical pesticides. D. Deforestation. 1. B and C. 2. A, C and D. 3. A and B. 4. A, B and D. 793 Which of the following weeds has been found useful to check water pollution caused by industrial effluents? 1. Parthenium. 2. Elephant grass. 3. Water hyacinth. 4. Both. 1. And 2. 794 Which of the following does not cause pollution? 1. Burning of petrol. 2. Use of solar energy. 3. Burning of rubber. 4. All of the above. 795 Excess amount of absorbed water by plants is liberated out by 1. Evaporation. 2. Osmosis. 3. Diffusion. 4. Transpiration. 796 What is a sponge? 1. A fossil. 2. A plant. 3. An animal. 4. A fungus. 797 Types of vertebrate animals which creep and crawl are called 1. Mammalians. 2. Amphibians. 3. Mollusks. 4. Reptilians. 798 Which of the following enzymes aids in coagulation of blood? 1. Tryptase. 2. Pepsin. 3. Renin. 4. Amylase. 799 Bio. Diesel is mostly produced by 1. Myrtaceae. 2. Malvaceae. 3. Liliaceae. 4. Euphorbiaceae. 800 Flowerless plants are termed as 1. Phanerogams. 2. Bryophytes. 3. Thallophytes. 4. Cryptogams.
Thanks for watch my channel. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.